Hello to all the viewers of this channel and all my students. So in this video, we would be learning about linear equations of class 10th. So let us start our session. So in this video, we would be learning about three methods of solving linear equations. So our first method is method of elimination by substitution. And second method is method of elimination by equating the coefficients. And third and the last method is method of cross multiplication. So let us learn our first method, method of elimination by substitution. Now let us understand our first method, that is method of elimination by substitution. So if you have these two equations, x plus 2y is equal to minus 1 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. So how you would be solving this by method of elimination by substitution. So our first equation, let us take our first equation. This is our equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. From equation 1, you would get x is equal to 2y will be sent on the right hand side. So this would be minus 1 minus 2y. So we got the value of x from equation 1. Now put the value of x in equation number 2. Put the value of x in equation 2. We get what? 2 into minus 1 minus 2y minus 3y is equal to 12. Now let us further solve this. 2 into minus 1 minus 2y minus 3y is equal to 12. So take 2 inside. This would be minus 2 minus 4y minus 3y is equal to 12. So this would be minus 4y minus 3y would be 7y minus 2 minus 7y is equal to 12. So this would be minus 2 would go in the right hand side. So you would get minus 7y is equal to 12 plus 2. That is equal to 14. So you would get minus 7y is equal to 14. So y would be 14 divided by minus 7. So that would be minus 2. So answer of y would be minus 2. Now let us find x. So you can see here the value of x is this. X is minus 1 minus 2y. So let us find y, x from y. X is minus 1 minus 2y. But your y is what? Minus 2. So put the value of y in this. Minus 1 minus 2 into minus 2. So this would be minus 1 minus 2 into minus 2. Minus minus would be added and 2 2s are 4. So 4 minus 1 is 3. So therefore your x is 3 and y is minus 2, right? Now let us understand our next problem on the same method. Now let us solve our next problem on method of elimination by substitution. So you have these two equations, right? So same method, take this equation as equation number 1 and take this as equation number 2. From equation 1, you would get 2x upon a. 2x divided by a plus y. Take y on the other side. Or either get the value of y. So this is y upon b is equal to 2. So y upon b is equal to 2 minus 2x upon a. 2x upon a would go on the right hand side. So y would be 2x minus 2x upon a, right? That whole would be multiplied by b because b is divided by y. So this is the value of y. Now put this value of y in equation number 2. Put the value of y in equation 2. We get what? We get x upon a minus b upon b. 1b is already there. 1 upon b is already there. y की जगह वैल्यू पुट करनी है और b मल्टीप्लाई में हो रहा है हमारी x की वैल्यू से. So this would be 2 into 2x upon a. That would be 4. ठीक है. x upon a, b and b would cancel 1. Minus 2, take minus inside, plus 2x upon a, that is equal to 4. X upon a and 2x upon a, that would be 3x upon a. Same denominator, only the numerators would add. So that would be 3x minus 2, that is 4. So 3x upon a, 2 would go on the right hand side. 4 plus 2, that would be 6. So 3x upon a is equal to 6. So x would be x equal to x upon a is equal to 6 divided by 3, that is 2. So x is equal to 2a. a divide हो रहा है वहां जाके it would multiply. ठीक है. a is divided over here, so that there it would be multiplied. Now you have to calculate the value of y. X is 2a and y is this. So let us put the value of y. Y is equal to b into 2 minus 2x upon a. So y is equal to b into 2 minus 2 into 2a. Put the value of x. In this x you get 2a. So put 2a over here divided by a. A would cancel out. So you would get b into 2 minus 2 to the 4. So that would be b into 4 minus 4 and 2 is plus. So that would be minus 2. So it would be minus 2b. So y would be minus 2b. So here your x is 2a and y is minus 2b. Now let us understand one more problem on the same method. Okay. So this is our next question on method of substitution. Okay. Same method. Take this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. Okay. So from equation 1, so you can easily calculate the value of x from equation 2. You just have to check which is easily comfortable to you to get the value, to derive the value. Okay. So here x is equal to, y would go on the other side. That would be minus 1 plus y. Put this value in equation 1. Put the value of x in equation 1. You would get 3 into minus 1 plus y minus 5y, that is equal to minus 1. Open the brackets. Minus 3 plus 3y minus 5 is equal to minus. Minus 3 would go on the other side. So this would be 3y and minus 5y. That would be minus 2y and minus 1 plus 3. So this would be 3 minus 1, that is 2. So y would be 2 divided by minus 2. So y would be minus 1. What would be the x? X would be minus 1 minus 1. That would be minus 2. So x is minus 2 and y is minus 1. So this is all about this method of substitution. Now let us understand our next method, that is method of elimination by equating the coefficients.